Think about your dream house and your dream city. How much concrete do you think is needed to build your dreams? Or are you dreaming differently like me? Concrete is widely used as a building material because it is relatively cheap and durable. Yet, engineers and scientists debate the gap between its spectacular technical capacity and questionable environmental performance. Present-day steel-reinforced concrete is said to be deteriorating more prematurely than its ancient unreinforced counterpart. And the mass production of cement-based concrete through the years has contributed to about 5 to 7% of global carbon emissions. There are cracks in the promise of concrete, and I am interested in exploring new ways of repairing these cracks. In my research, I examine how concrete is implicated in the livelihoods of workers who produce its raw materials. Concrete is about 60 to 80% sand and gravel, and we typically associate sand and gravel pits with corporate, large-scale, or unionized mining. Yet, in the Philippines, where I did ethnographic fieldwork, thousands of self-employed individuals make a living manually digging and crushing aggregate for the building industry. These poor informal miners combine many different activities in their survival portfolios. Recent development interventions recommend that governments formalize this mining activity and financial institutions provide these miners with capital. But before scaling up this mining activity in our environmentally challenged world, we need to stop and consider other options for building and for livelihoods. I suggest instead that development initiatives should enhance livelihood diversification and building material diversity. So where can we find inspiration for this? In my research, I looked into the relation between livelihoods and new building materials. One community recycles plastic waste to make hollow bricks. Another community grows and treats bamboo as a concrete reinforcement instead of using steel bars. My research shows that the cracks in concrete can provoke a rethinking of materiality and diverse livelihoods. In these cracks, we can see context-specific livelihood and building experimentations emerging. So, today, it's possible for us to build new dreams together. Thank you.